Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI colorization apps available for Android. Each of these apps harnesses cutting-edge technology to transform your images, making them look stunning and fresh. Let's get started. AI Colorize App. This app utilizes advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically add color to black and white photos. Users can easily import their images, and the app analyzes them to generate vibrant colors that enhance the original content. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Additionally, the app allows users to make quick adjustments and enhancements, ensuring that the final result reflects their vision. It's a great tool for both casual users looking to colorize personal photos and photography enthusiasts wanting to explore creative possibilities. Colorize Photos Ai. This application specializes in transforming monochrome images into colorful visuals using cutting-edge AI technology. It offers features like batch processing, which is particularly useful for users who want to colorize multiple images at once, saving time and effort. The app also provides customization options, allowing users to fine-tune the colors to their liking, thus ensuring a personalized touch. With its focus on delivering high-quality results, this app is perfect for those looking to breathe new life into old photographs and preserve memories in a vibrant way. Pixeleap Ai. Pixeleap Ai stands out by not only focusing on colorization, but also enhancing overall image quality. It employs machine learning techniques to improve photo resolution, sharpen details, and add colors to black and white images seamlessly. The app's versatility is enhanced by the various filters and effects it offers, allowing users to experiment with different styles and looks. Its intuitive design ensures that even beginners can navigate the app with ease, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their photo editing skills and create stunning visuals. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the top AI colorization apps for Android has inspired you to explore the creative possibilities of your old photographs. Until next time, keep creating.